Hey everybody, look at this. Got a 5-pound pork roast here. Shoulder, picnic. Got all kind of names. We're gonna make Chipotle pulled pork today. Did you ever hear of Chipotle? Did you ever go to that restaurant, Chipotle? Me neither. Anyway, it's actually a pepper. I have a can of them here. You can buy them in a can with adobo sauce. That's gonna be good. That's gonna perk this up along with these other delicious ingredients. That's making my mouth water for about 15 minutes now, getting ready for this. All right, let's show you how we're gonna do it. Come here, come over here. All right, let me throw this big shoulder in here. Put that in there. Wow, that's a 5-pounder. 4.7 some, almost 4.8, but I call it 5. What do you think of that? Now, just put all these ingredients. I got 10 cloves of garlic, if anybody likes garlic, or as many garlics as you got in your house, or as many cloves as you have. 1 big onion. I haven't had pulled pork for a while. Never had Chipotle, or Chipotle, like I call it. I don't know how to do that. It's just how it's spelled. Be a Pennsylvania Dutch thing. Okay, chopped onion, a teaspoon, which I have here, of ground cumin. Cumin, if you ever had that. Boy, that's a real good taste. And smell, it smells so good. If you never cook with that, try it sometime. 1 teaspoon of this. Weeping 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Imagine that. Here we go again. Cinnamon. Oh. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now you can, a little extra because it's Saturday night. You could put all this probably in a bowl and mix it all up, but in a pressure cooker, you know what's going to happen. It's all going to infuse. Now we need 2 tablespoons of honey. Just barely getting low, so, and you know, if you put it on a tablespoon, you don't get half of it out. So we're going to guesstimate. 1. Anyway, you get the idea. A taste of honey. That's a taste right there. See, if you put it on your spoon, you know, half of it would be stuck and you'd have to lick it off and you wouldn't get it in there anyway. Oh, made a mess. That's all right. What's next? 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I got my Wolfgang salt. 3/4. Well, you think that ham got enough salt, right? It's not ham, it's pork, but a little salt. You know, using that Chipotle idea. A lime, which I'm gonna cut and get the seeds out. Come back when it's cut. Let me see. That's gonna cut it in 4s. Boy, these smells are coming together. Especially that cumin and the lime now. Man, it's so good. Wow. Now we don't want no seeds in here, and we don't want no skin in here. See what we can do. I'm not that experienced with a lime. Don't get it in your eyes. Is there seeds in there? Not many. They ain't like lemon seeds. I didn't see any. Did I? Well, there's 1 in there. I didn't see it. Get the meat out of it. Lime. And under pressure, this is all going to come together, you know? Don't have to chop it up fine or anything like that. Alright. Lime it up. Alright, lime's in there. Boy, you don't know how it smells from here. Chipotle's coming in. Get that lime juice all in my fingers. This is gonna be so good tonight. Let's smell this. Whoa, now that, going with that, you gotta try it. See what we got here? Adobo sauce, Chipotle peppers. Get one. I'm gonna show you. See? Like a pepper. They sell them like that. No, you don't think I canned this, do you? Mix it all around. Now I'm going to take this can and I'm going to put 2 cans full of water to give us some liquid here. Okay, I'm going to pour this down the side because I want to keep that flavoring on our pork. But as it's coming up to pressure, this is all going to bubble around and mix up pretty good. That one? Here comes 2. I don't want too much, do I? It's gonna turn into a nice saucy sauce. I got another can of them. I wonder if I should put 2 cans in. That's gonna be too much, huh? We just want a hint of Chipotle tonight. Get it? You get the hint? Okay. Get the lid. Put the lid on. Put in pressure mode. You know how. Put it on high. We're going 1 hour, which is 60 minutes where I come from. And we can see that. Then I'm going to let the pressure release naturally for, look at 60 minutes. Start. Okay. I'll be back in 60 minutes and I'll let you know, but I'm going to let it release naturally for 15 minutes after that, just to get extra tenderness. Okay, it's been an hour. It's going to beep any second now. Then I'm going to let the pressure release naturally for 15 minutes. There it is. Okay. Now normally, you know, I'd come over in here, I'd get it out of there, but we're trying to go extra tender tonight. It should be good. It smells delicious. I hope, right? Pulled pork, Chipotle style. Come on over, have something, grab a lot. All right. That's been about 15. It'll probably take an hour to let the pressure out altogether, but I'm impatient and so is the dog. You can hear her. You want some, huh? I know, so do I. So there's still probably pressure in there. Yeah, okay. Smells good. I'll be back when it's out. Woo! Steam. What do you expect to see in there? Something good. It smells good. I said that already. Ooh, I see a bone. I see falling off the bone goodness. See? Here's the dog. Oh boy, let me get a fork. Let me stick a fork in it because it's done. Uh-oh, look. Uh-oh. We got some good juice in there too. Wow. Look. Whoa, you won't believe the flavors. Let me get this on some kind of plate here. Look, I gotta taste it though. You know? Wow, hot. Ow! Oh! Woo! What? Spicy? And good? All right, let me put this in a glass dish or bowl or something. You hear that, dog? Come on, son. I decided to fork this out, if it will stay. Oh, put it down there. And we can use all that delicious au jus, as you like to call it, always, to put on your sandwich, you know. All right, let's see. Move this over a little bit. Make a mess. You wouldn't believe the smell. Such a different smell from regular pulled pork. Look at what I got for Christmas. Don't mess with me, see? Down for Josh. Thank you. Shred them, shred them, shred them. Maybe you can't see me. My hands are in the way. Oh, look at the bone. Look at the bone. Look at the bone. Oh, steam. Falling apart, falling apart. Woo, woo wee. Chipotle. Get it bone. Yeah, I gotta get over to my buns. My rolls. Alright, let me get over to the table here. Alright, look at this. I took there's 2 little bones were in there. Took them out. Let me get some of the sauce in here. This is the spicy stuff here, look. There's you. Oh. That's gonna be good. Then you can put that on your bread too, you know, the extra chilies in there. Look at it, see? Chipotle chilies. You know this is good. Ooh. I got a regular cheap hamburger buns, but you could use bread, you could use anything. Regular. Oh, look at that freak. That's what I want. Look at that one. Freaky dicky hamburger bun. They knew how it was coming. Don't worry about that little one. Somebody else gonna get that one. All right, here we go. Ooh, Chipotle pulled pork. All in good spices. I'll put a list of them down in the description. Oh, look. Let me meet them up. That was a, what did I say, 4, almost close to 5 pounds. Oof. I don't believe the smell, I'm telling you. You can go and get some more juice out of there if you want, but I think this is good for me like this. I just want to taste it right now. And eat it all, of course. All right, here we go, I'm going in. Chipotle. Pulled pork on hamburger bun. Pressure cooker. Cuisinart. Saturday night. Take a bite. It's falling apart. Such a taste I never had. With all those ingredients. And Chipotle peppers. I do want some more sauce. Look. Wow. Wow. It's hot, you idiot. I think I'll carry an extra. I'll save that messy napkin for you. Oh. Sorry. Now I messed it up. It's okay, look at that. Holy cow. Alright, look at this mess I made. No problem. I'm gonna get another roll, make a neater one. Neater. Alright. Try it if you like it. It's easy. Change it up however you want. And I could throw that meat on a cutting board and chop it all up at the end, but I want to contain it in there. In a glass bowl. Alright, well, look at my mess now, but it's so delicious. That's good. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Wait a minute. Alright, I'll talk to you later.